Here's another curry that's representative of the tropical local ingredients that can be found in the Maldives. Plantain curry. Ash plantain is the type of plantain that's usually used to make this curry. Here are the ingredients you'll need. To start, heat a tablespoon of oil. Fry the onions, pandan leaves, and curry leaves. Once the onions have browned a bit, add the spices and toss together. Add the plantain pieces, the chopped tomato, salt, and the red chilies. Also add the dried fish flakes. Stir together and cook for about 5 minutes. If desired, you can choose to add about 1/2 cup of water to soften the plantains and cook for a few minutes more. Now add the 1/2 cup of coconut milk. Stir together and cook for about 5 minutes more. If you like the curry to be a little sweeter, add a teaspoon of sugar as well. Now serve the curry onto a plate. This curry can be eaten with Roshi, flatbread, or rice. Learn more about Maldivian food culture with Cook Maldives the Cookbook.